Hey, this is Heather at Outside School, and I wanted to make a video with my student who's filming with me for me here today. We had been talking about venomous snakes. We went snake herping the other day. We found our usual number of snakes in the park. How many snakes did we find the other day when we were looking for them?
0.
0. And how many rattlesnakes have we ever found?
0.
But how many other snakes have we found?
2. 3.
Probably even more than that over the years.
Yeah, 5.
5. And my student was reminding me about how with a snake, there are places that collect venom. And there's a similar process that I wanted to use to demonstrate something else. But what I did is I brought this little mason jar and I brought this saran wrap. And what I was thinking we could do was mimic both antivenom collection or venom collection from a reptile for making antivenom, and also mimic skin for both a snake bite puncture and as a demonstration for this medicine that I'm going to do a little lesson about. And the reason I'm going to do a lesson about this medicine is that this can be life-saving. And my husband was recently telling me that people on the internet didn't know how you're supposed to appropriately dispense this medication. And this could actually change lives, save lives. So I'm gonna try to demonstrate that for you. Let's see if this works. So I took the little hard lid off. I put the saran wrap in this place. This will mimic human skin. And we'll see if this works. So what I brought is a medication called epinephrine. It's commonly known as adrenaline. And this is a medication, if someone is going into anaphylactic shock, you can give them this medicine. And this has a very sharp needle inside. Should you ever touch sharp needles?
No.
No. Why not?
Because if you don't know what it is, don't touch it.
If you don't know what it is, don't touch it. And also, if somebody else's needle goes into you, you can get a disease. You can get medicine that is not yours into you. So this is my medicine. I have a prescription for it. It says epinephrine injection, auto-injector, 0.3 milligrams. That is a strong medication to only be 0.3 milligrams and still work. Are you doing okay over there?
Yeah, I'm just trying to find a flat surface.
Okay. Yeah, it's kind of hard today.
There we go.
Awesome. So this is carried in a protective case so that nobody gets a needle stick. And this is a real medicine, but it's expired. So we're going ahead and making it into a demonstration. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm going to take off the protective cover. Here it is. And it says expired April 2023. What month is it?
It's May 2024.
Oh, so should you use this medicine?
No.
No, it expired. Then if you were going to need to use this medicine, you'd also want to look and see if you could see the fluid inside. And if it's cloudy, you would not want to use it. It's supposed to be clear. So look, here it says, what word does that say? On the
Pull.
Pull. What word does it say on that side?
Pull.
All right, so I'm going to pull, and it says here, pull off both blue caps. Pull. I want you not to cover your eyes. It's okay. Pull. And look at that. Now there's a red. What color does red mean when you see red in the world?
Danger.
Danger. And it even says there, what is that? What do those words say?
N-E-E, needle end.
Needle end. So if someone were going into anaphylactic shock and you needed to dispense this medicine to them, or they needed to dispense it to themselves, they would, am I supposed to look at the camera?
Yes.
Okay, sorry. I'm sorry, I was looking in the wrong place. What you would do is you would take this in your fist so that you don't accidentally touch the needle, and you would poke it through into the muscle of their thigh. And you can even do it, it works, it goes right through their pants. Crazy, right? And then do you know what you do?
What?
You leave it there for a little while. This will pump out into the person's body and they will start to feel better. So what I'm gonna do, and I've done this with you before, but I think it was a couple years ago.
It was last year.
It was last year?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna pretend.
We were at the lot above the playground.
Oh, okay. So we are going to pretend that this is someone's thigh with pants on. Okay?
Yeah,
So
you
what
already
I'm
said that before.
Okay.
Come on.
Are you ready?
Yes.
And I don't put my thumb here, I just put it with the rest of my, you don't need to cover your ears and eyes, it's okay. Here we go. Are you ready?
Hmm?
Oh, did it work? Did any fluid come out? I couldn't see it.
I'm scared of this. I'm so scared.
Oh, it did. But you know what? I poked a hole right through the saran wrap, and now you can see the needle, right? So do you know what I need to do?
What?
Put it back in here. And I'm gonna take this. I actually have...
You forgot to put the blue thing on.
That would be too dangerous to put that back on, because I might accidentally touch the needle. Look, now it's nice and safe. And I'm gonna dispose of this. I'm a member at Kaiser, and in their pharmacies, they have a sharps disposal. A needle is called sharps. I'm gonna take it to Kaiser and dispose of it properly. Let's see. Oh yeah, I don't know, can you see it? There is a little bit of liquid in there.
Yeah, I see it.
So when you get a
Can I touch the liquid?
No, because it's medicine. And I don't want you to accidentally get any epinephrine onto your skin, which you might accidentally transfer to eyes, mouth, nose, ears, anywhere. So we can't touch it.
Shoulder, knees, and toes.
So what happens
are you gonna use this one?
Yeah, that's a good question. So when you get a prescription for epinephrine, they give you 2. Do you know why?
So you can do 2 doses.
2 doses.
Make you feel extra better.
Well, here's what happens. So if you ever have to use a dose of epinephrine, you have to get to the emergency room right away, because when it wears off, you're still going to be having an allergic reaction. So in this, the medicine only lasts about 5 minutes. So they give you a second one because the first thing you do is you give the medicine and you call 911, okay?
Okay.
And then the ambulance usually takes about 10 minutes to get there or so. So after 5 minutes, you can start to feel the medicine wear off, and you're starting to be able to, you're not breathing right, you're sweaty, all sorts of problems. You need to give yourself a second dose, or someone needs to dose for you. So I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna see if I can be a little less punchy and not make that big hole in the top. I'll see. But when you do it through your clothes, you are supposed to jab it. It's just that top, that saran wrap top didn't do so well. Do you feel, oh.
People might get a little freaked out.
They might get a little freaked out?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know, but it's about, you know,
What?
since it's about venom and everything.
I know. But you know what? This is a lesson. So if it freaks them out, hopefully they'll be a little less freaked out at the end of this lesson.
Okay.
Like, I'm asking you now, do you know what's going to happen?
You're gonna put a second dose in.
I'm going to put a second dose in. I don't see you covering your eyes or ears this time. Do you feel a little less freaked out this time?
Maybe.
Maybe.
I don't know.
You'll find out. You look more, I see a smile on your face this time.
Oh boy.
Okay, I'll be a little less punchy and see if this works. You're still covering your ears? Okay, let's see. And then you hold it in and let the medicine eject.
Oh, I see it.
Can you see?
I see it. I see it. I see it. I see it.
Yep, I see it. There's more liquid in there.
And they're
All right.
And this all is trying to run away.
So I'm gonna go and put these back together, being ever so careful. All right, now we're going to end our video soon. Do you have any more questions? Or comments?
What does this have to do with a snake bite?
Well, that was just the same way that when they extract venom from a rattlesnake or another venomous snake, they hold its fangs over a substance just like this, and it goes into there and they make antivenom out of it. And that is the end of the video.
I present to you a goodbye, Heather Taylor.